Welcome back. You're watching Wild Card action in round one of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Marlie Mount Primary on 3 and Duhaney Park Primary on 4. Time now for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, team members will face off in the categories of Math, Science, Social Studies and English Language. Face-Off 1 is in Mathematics, and we have Calicia Miller of Duhaney Park Primary up against the captain of Marlie Mount Primary, Captain Gabrielle Lawrence. Calicia, we begin with you. At $7.50 per kilogram, what's the cost of 8 kilograms of beef? Captain, passes to you. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $60. Calicia, a water tank has a full capacity of 600 liters. If the tank is 60% full, how many liters of water are in it?
$120 liters?
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 360 liters. Calicia, what exact time is it on the 12-hour clock if the 24-hour clock is saying 23:54?
11:54 p.m.
That is correct. A piece of rope, 150 centimeters, is cut from a roll of 4.5 meters. What length of rope remains on the roll in meters? Question passes to Captain. Want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
3 meters. Calicia, what's the product of the first 3 prime numbers?
30?
That is correct. Captain, we're now over to you. 1 kilogram of flour costs $320. What's the cost of 0.25 kilograms of the same flour? Calicia, question passes to you.
Yes, miss. $80?
$80 is correct. Captain, a man spends 72% of his weekly pay on food. If his weekly pay is $1,200, how much does he spend on food? Question passes. Calicia, want to try? It's $864. Captain, what exact time is it on the 12-hour clock if the 24-hour clock reads 15:46?
3:46 p.m.
That's right. A wire 250 centimeters is added to another 3.65 meters long. What's the total length of the wire in meters?
$253.65 meters.
That's incorrect. Calicia, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. 0.61 meters.
That's also incorrect. It's 6.15 meters. Captain, what's the product of the 2 largest factors of 20?
50?
That's incorrect. Calicia, want to try?
Yes, miss. 30?
That's also incorrect. It's actually 200. Taking us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between the captain of Duhaney Park Primary, Jaden Coltus, is up against Nevaeh Nicholson. Captain Jaden, rickets is a condition in children resulting from a serious lack of which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
That's incorrect. Nevaeh, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Vitamin D.
That D is correct. Captain, what's the formula for the gas ozone?
CO2.
That's incorrect. Nevaeh.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, miss. O.
That's also incorrect. It's O3. Captain, which of these is not part of a plant? Is it the stem, root, muscle, or leaf?
Muscle.
That's right. What part of a plant is a sweet potato?
The flower.
That's incorrect. Nevaeh, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Root.
Or storage root. That's correct. Jaden, arrange this food chain in the correct order. Rabbit, grass, man.
Grass, rabbit, man.
That is correct. Nevaeh, a chronic lack of which mineral can result in anemia?
Iron.
That's correct. CO is the formula for which gas?
Hydrogen.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's carbon monoxide. Nevaeh, which of the following is part of a flower? Is it leaf, bark, hair, or petal?
Petal.
That is correct. What part of a plant makes food?
The leaf.
That is correct. Arrange this food chain in the correct order. Bird, leaf, caterpillar.
Leaf, caterpillar, bird.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. It's between Jada Lewis of Duhaney Park Primary up against Chrisanna McLean of Marlie Mount Primary. Jada, what's the demonstrative adjective in the sentence, "This lovely book is mine"?
Lovely.
That's incorrect. Chrisanna, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Lovely book.
That's also incorrect. It's mine. Jada, form a noun from the word apply. Chrisanna, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Application.
Or applier, that's correct. Jada, spell accumulate.
ACCUMALATE.
That's incorrect. Chrisanna, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's accumulate. ACCUMULATE. Jada, what's the superlative of the word far?
Farthest.
Or furthest, that's correct. Give a three-letter synonym for the word lubricate. Chrisanna, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Oil.
Oil is correct. Chrisanna, now over to you. Identify the interrogative adjective in the following sentence. What tasty food are you cooking?
What?
That's right. Form a noun from the word approve.
Approval.
Or approver, that's correct. Spell puncture.
POUNTER.
That's incorrect. Jada, want to try? It's puncture. PUNCTURE. Chrisanna, what's the comparative of the word much?
More.
That's correct. Give a three-letter synonym for the word inquire. Question passes to you, Jada. That's incorrect. It's ask. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Duhaney Tabab, the Duhaney Park Primary, up against Ramona Faulkner of Marlie Mount Primary. Duhaney, what is the southernmost state in the United States of America?
Mexico.
That's incorrect. Ramona?
Yes, Florida.
Florida is correct. Duhaney, which of these countries is the largest in land area? Trinidad, Puerto Rico, or Jamaica?
Jamaica.
That's correct. What natural disaster is measured by the Saffir-Simpson scale? Ramona, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's hurricanes. Duhaney, lines of longitude run in which direction?
East to west.
That's incorrect. Ramona, want to try?
Yes, thank you. North to south.
Is correct. Duhaney, what name do Jamaicans give to the aloe vera plant?
Cinco Bible.
That is correct. Ramona, over to you. The U.S. state of Florida is bordered to the west by which body of water?
The Atlantic Ocean.
That's incorrect. Duhaney, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
the Gulf of Mexico. Ramona, which of these countries is the largest in land area? Dominica, Martinique, St. Lucia.
Dominica.
That's incorrect. Duhaney, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
Martinique. Ramona, what is the last day of the Atlantic hurricane season each year?
November 30.
That's correct. The prime meridian is located at how many degrees?
0 degrees.
That's right. What nickname do Jamaicans give to the northeast trade winds, especially in the latter part of the year?
Christmas breeze.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Marlie Mount Primary on 18 points and Duhaney Park Primary on 9. The final challenge is next in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. Stay with us.